Rumors continue to swirl around if Cleveland Cavaliers star LeBron James will remain in the land after the 2017-18 NBA season. Well, according to ESPN's Chris Sheridan, the four-time NBA MVP is 100% leaving Cleveland after this season. In this latest speculation, Sheridan goes on to say that LeBron's relationship with the Cavs owners will be the main reason for the departure. Cavs principal owner Dan Gilbert fired GM David Griffin early in the NBA offseason, and as a result, the Cavs have been unable to make any significant moves in free agency.